Today, I'm sharing with you 5 tips that help me get through the beginning stages of this carnivore journey. If you're beginning or thinking about starting, here are some tips to help you at the beginning. Number 1 is don't be too strict at the beginning. You may want to go keto before you go carnivore, so your body can slowly start adjusting to the removal of carbs. You know, whether you're starting at 50, 40, 30 grams of carbs, you want to go slowly. If you go in too quickly, sometimes that doesn't work for some people. Number 2 is negativity about the carnivore diet. There are so many people that are against this diet. And, again, you can't blame them. It's education. We on this journey have been doing research. We understand what's good for our bodies, so they may not, or maybe they just don't know. So if it means removing yourself from situations like going out to dinner with them, going to happy hour after work, that type of thing, you might have to remove yourself until you feel strong enough to be around that negativity, and maybe tell them, hey, this is the journey I'm on. If you don't agree with it, I'm sorry, this is my journey. And number 3, going through hard times. Especially on this journey, we've been eating a certain way for so long that you're gonna hit a wall. Whether it's withdrawal from carbs, whether it's feeling bad, whether it's just, there's a lot of things that may put you in a situation where you feel like giving up. Don't. Know that it will pass. Number 4, if you cheat or you fall off the wagon, don't be hard on yourself. Don't give up. Know that we're human. We all make mistakes. It happens, whether it's a birthday or Christmas is coming up and you feel like you can't handle it, so you give in. It's okay. You're not going to gain 10 pounds from, eating or cheating. Don't be hard on yourself, because if you are, then you're going to feel bad. You're going to have a negative outlook on this journey, and it shouldn't be. And number 5, I feel is the most important, and it was for me, is weighing yourself, especially every day. I don't think that's a good idea, because our bodies are healing, our bodies are taking in nutrients, and we're gonna weigh different every day until our body stabilizes. So if you jump on the scale and you see 130 pounds, and then you weigh yourself the next morning and it says 132 pounds, you're gonna feel like you're gaining or what's happening. The scale isn't a good measurement of how you're doing, especially internally. I know for me, I was doing that and I thought, I'm going to set a goal to where if I want to weigh myself, I'm going to do it every couple weeks, every 3 weeks. So that way I know, okay, I probably lost some weight. So in 3 weeks or in a couple of weeks, I'll find out. And to be honest with you, my clothes are telling me where I'm at. My clothes have started feeling different. They are looser, which is a good thing. But ultimately, why I started this diet is for health and chronic pain. And I'll link a playlist about this journey. But these are my tips for you if you're thinking about starting, or if you've already started and you're struggling a little bit. These tips really helped me. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of my videos every time I upload. And I'll link my last video on why I started this journey. So go click and go watch.